Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required simply for checking. You can use mobile data if you want to, but if you'll decide that you want to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so we've got the internet connection. Now we can start by opening the settings. Here, let's simply tap on INFINIX Note 60 Pro, so your phone, and then tap on Check for Updates. And your device will basically check for the available updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.